Hello everyone. How are you all guys? So, come on, do let me know how about you all and how about your studies going on? All good? That's really great of you guys. So once again, a very warm welcome to your very own channel. Let's crack NEET UG in English. Myself Sharada Alok. I have been teaching chemistry at Resonance from past 10 years. How you can get connected to us, let me tell you. First of all, go to Play Store, download an Academy learning app, and then just click on to NEET UG. Okay guys, and then just before you go ahead for the subscription, let me tell you the benefit of taking plus subscription, guys. The very first benefit is, yes, you will be getting the top educators. Okay, guys, they will be taking your daily live classes. Not only that, you can chat with your educator, you can engage in discussions, you can ask your doubts and answer the poll. Remember, guys, you can what? Ask your doubts, okay, and answer the poll. Let me tell you what is the meaning of this poll. You will be asked questions related to the topic being taught on the screen, okay, and very soon after that you'll be getting your rank in the form of leaderboard. How you have performance, your performance analysis going to be there in the form of leaderboard on the screen. That is going to tell you not only the rank amongst all your competitors, but will also tell you how much time you have taken to crack that particular question. Okay guys, now not only that, you'll be having live test as well. Guys, what is this live test? You all know that live tests are there based on the syllabus you have been taught so far, isn't it? That is going to evaluate your preparation time to time. Suppose for today, if you have not got better rank in the test, guys, okay, for any reason, might not have studied well or might not have revised well or might not have studied the topic at all, what is going to happen? These live tests are going to give you a proper introspection of your preparation level, isn't it, on that particular topic. I hope it is very clearly going here. Then what will happen? You will study that particular topic, okay, and not only that, suppose if you are prepared with the topic but not that well, so what is going to happen after the live test? That question paper is very well discussed as well. That is going to prepare you even better on that particular topic. Along with that, you'll be having quizzes as well, guys. So many quizzes keep occurring, being conducted at our platform, that always help you to improve yourself, not only in academics, but guys, they minimize your negative marking. How come? Suppose you have not made the question correctly, you have not answered it correctly. What is going to happen? Just after that, the question will be discussed. You will get a clear cut idea about that question or the topic to which that question is related to. Then, the same question, if it is going to be asked, then what is going to happen? You will not make the mistake again, isn't it? And as you are supposed to answer in a limited period of time, so this is going to sharpen your IQ as well. I'm repeating, these quizzes are going to sharpen your IQ as well, guys, okay, because you are supposed to answer in a limited period of time. And remember, maximum time given to a particular question, if it is numerical based, then 80 seconds, otherwise 60 seconds, 40 seconds, 30 seconds, isn't it? And that much time, in that much time, you have to think over that question, you have to click on to the correct option. And one more thing, you will not able to change your option one you have selected that. So definitely it is going to sharpen your IQ with time. Okay guys, and remember, it is going to give you a detailed analysis of your performance as well after the live test, okay. Not only that, guys, you'll be getting structured course which is precisely designed in a line with your exam syllabus and definitely will help you best to prepare for it. So just take one subscription and get access to all our live and recorded courses to watch from the comfort of any of your devices. Is that clear, guys? Okay, okay, guys, all those who are watching it, do share the link of the video, because, guys, today we are going to start study what? Very, very important questions of nitrogen family, basically reasoning questions. We are going to discuss the reasoning questions, okay, related to nitrogen family. So be prepared, guys. Come on, share the link to the class, I mean video, to all your near and dear ones, so that they also will able to watch it, isn't it, guys? Okay, now, guys, now this is iconic subscription which has been recently launched by Unacademy. Okay, what are the iconic features? Let me tell you what are the iconic features of this iconic subscription. The very first iconic feature is you will be getting, yes, personal coach. Yes, guys, you heard me right. The top educators are going to be your personal coach. Okay. Not only that, you can get one on one guidance from them, and they are going to share a wonderful preparation strategies as well, which is definitely going to work. Yes, guys, which is definitely going to work and going to enhance your academics, isn't it? You'll be having an in-depth test analysis as well with personalized feedback, which is going to improve your time management and exam approach as well, because most of the time we lack in a proper, you know, yes, time we lack in a proper exam approach as well, because of which we may not perform better. Not only that, you will be getting a proper study planner that is going to ace your preparation with customized study plan. You are going to get a bi-weekly review, which is definitely going to highlight your progress, guys, isn't it? So all benefit of plus what? That live classes from top educator, mock test and quizzes, structured batch courses in line with exam syllabus. Okay, guys, I hope it is all very, very clear to you. Now, guys, whether to go for plus subscription or the iconic one, let me tell you, whatever you are going to get under plus subscription, you'll be getting under iconic one. But these are the iconic features, guys. Whether you talk about personal coach, study planner, expert guidelines, or test analysis, these are the iconic features you are going to get under this once you take iconic subscription. Now, let me tell you how much you have to pay if you want to go for iconic subscription presently, guys. If you want to go for 1 year subscription, which you should go ahead if you are a class 12 student or in dropper, I would recommend that way. Okay. And, guys, for 1 year you are supposed to pay 45,000, that is coming around 3750 rupees per month only. And for 2 years subscription, you'll have to pay 61,000, that is coming around 2542 rupees per month only. So, guys, remember, these subscription prices will be increased soon. And don't forget to apply this referral code of mine, SA10. Okay. In order to avail what? In order to avail the, yes, yes, in order to avail some extra benefit from my side, which I will disclose you once you take the, yes, subscription applying my referral code. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, guys, this is all about plus subscription on the screen. I just want to tell you that right from 1 month, 3 month, or 6 month, there is no point. Though the subscription is available for 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months, but there is no point in taking them now. It is good as long as you are planning for the crash course. Okay. I would personally recommend you that if you are a dropper student or in class 12, you must go for this 1 year subscription by paying 2250 rupees per month, guys. And yes, if what is this on the screen? If you are in class 11, you must go for this 2 year subscription by paying 32,400. That is going to cost you only 1350 rupees per month. How much you have to pay? only 1350 rupees per month, guys. Don't forget to apply this referral code of mine SA10 in order to have some extra perk from my side, which I will disclose you once you take the subscription, guys. Okay, remember, we are soon going to rise the prices, first thing. And secondly, guys, no cost EMI is available at 6 month, 12 month, and 24-month subscription as well. So once again, I would be telling you, do apply this referral code of mine and take the benefit from my side. Extra benefit, guys. Not only the discounted prices, but along with that, you'll be getting some extra benefit, which I'll be disclosing once you take the subscription. Okay, guys. Now, guys, don't delay any longer. Share the link to the video to all your near and dear ones, as we are soon going to start the class. All those who are watching, do like the video, do share the link of the video to all your friends who are pursuing class 10, yes, who are preparing for NEET UG, who are in class 12, who are preparing for JEE mains, who are preparing for JEE advanced, because nitrogen and oxygen family. But today we are no doubt going to do nitrogen family reasoning questions related to nitrogen family, guys. But these two are very important, at the same time difficult as well. They are not very easy strikeable, isn't it? They don't strike all of a sudden, they take some time. Therefore I thought to make a video separately over it. Anamika Gaur, welcome to the class, dear. How are you, dear? How are you? How about your preparation? Yes, guys, have you studied this nitrogen family before? Though I have, guys, I have. Those who have not studied this nitrogen family or oxygen family, I just want to tell them that I have made a separate video on small topic, every individual topic of nitrogen and oxygen family. And link for the same is there in the description box. You must watch that as well. And this particular video of mine is going to cover almost many of the questions, not all, because the time limit is time period is there, guys. We cannot, so, make the make a long video over it. That is why I have tried to cover almost all the most of the important questions, not all. Remember, no doubt, I will make some more video on that, but most of the questions have been covered in this. So all your eyes on the screen, guys, all your eyes on the screen, and share the link to all your friends who are in class 12. Okay, preparing for NEET, preparing for board, preparing for JEE means, preparing for JEE advanced. Is that clear? All those who are watching it, do like the video, do share the video, and if you are watching this channel for the first time, do subscribe the channel, guys. Let's crack NEET UG in English. You can also join our Telegram channel. Let's crack NEET UG in English. And yes, notification of all our classes and playlist is there on that. Yes, guys. So don't forget to subscribe the channel if you have not done so. Let's crack NEET UG in English. Okay, guys. And don't forget to press the bell icon as well in order to have further notification. Okay, guys. Okay. I hope it is all very clear, guys. Come on. Come on, have a look at the screen. The very first reasoning question, guys. PCl5 is ionic in nature in the solid state. I'm repeating, PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride, make it small l. Phosphorus pentachloride is ionic in nature in solid state. Yes, guys, it is ionic in nature in solid state. We know that PCl5 is purely, like, it is a kind of what? Covalent compound, isn't it? It is a covalent compound, guys. But it is ionic in nature in solid state. How come? Why? All your eyes on the screen, guys. All your eyes on the screen. As PCl5 in gaseous phase, when it is in gas state, it is simply the hybridization is sp3d, and you can see the equatorial and axial bond. You have studied all this, isn't it? Yes, guys. and it exists in a shape trigonal bipyramidal. It exists as trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, Anamika, are you getting it? Okay, namaskar beta, Kalindi beta, namaskar. And in solid state, what happens, guys? Actually, in solid state, it exists as PCl4 plus. Yes, it exists as. Okay, just a sec. It exists as PCl4 plus. Okay, which is a cationic part, and the geometry to this is tetrahedral, guys. And anionic part is PCl6 minus, the geometry is octahedral. Divya Jasal, very good afternoon, dear. I am fine, Divya. How are you? All those who are watching it, do like the video, do share it, beta. Do share it. Okay, so that all the friends of yours who are preparing for NEET, who are preparing for 12th, who are preparing for board, and who are, yes, J Advanced, preparing for J Advanced, can watch this. So share this video to them. I'm also super fine, ma'am. That's really nice of you, beta. All your eyes on the screen. So guys, it is all clear. So these are the two ionic form, like tetrahedral, cationic part, and octahedral, anionic part of PCl5. Okay guys, okay. And because of this, guys, remember, because of this, PCl5 conducts, because ions are there, guys. Okay, so this conducts electricity when in molten state, because in solid state you had seen it constitutes these two ions, oppositely charged ions, isn't it? So when you will melt them, it is going to conduct electricity, isn't it, guys? Okay, because on melting these ions becomes free to move, is that clear? And hence conduct electricity. On melting on melting these ions becomes free to move. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? I hope you are getting it. Wonderful. All those who are watching it, do like the video and do share it. Divya Jasal is asking, what is the timing of your class, ma'am? Please tell me. But this week, my classes will start at 3 p.m. But on Sunday I will come live at 8 a.m. morning, and from Monday onwards I come live at 2 p.m. Okay, so tomorrow and day after I'll be coming live at 3 p.m. On Sunday 8 a.m. morning, and from next week onwards I'll come live at 2 p.m. Is that clear, guys? Do one thing. Why don't you subscribe the channel Let's Crack NEET Eugene English, so that you'll be getting all the playlist of the video, and also you'll be, do press the bell icon. You will get notified about all our lectures. Okay, Divya? Is that clear? Now let us see another reasoning question, guys. The bond angle O and O are not of the same value in NO2 minus, that is nitrite, or nitrogen dioxide, or nitronium ion. This NO2 plus. NO2 plus is nitronium ion, guys. This is nitrogen dioxide molecule, and this is nitrite ion. Is that clear? The bond angle in all of them is not at all same. All those who are watching it, do like the video, do share the link to your near and dear ones, those who are in 12th, preparing for NEET, preparing for mains, preparing for advance. Okay, please share the link to them. Also preparing for KVPY, guys. This is very, very important as per KVPY point of view as well. Okay, so do share, do like the video, do subscribe the channel, do press the bell icon. So can you see the bond angles, guys? In case of nitronium ion, the bond angle is 180 degree. In case of NO2 molecule, the bond angle is 134. And in case of nitrite, the bond angle is 115. Why it is so, guys? Why it is so? All your eyes on the screen, guys. Once again, I just want to tell you this is very, very, very important. So all your eyes on the screen, and those who are watching it, do like the video. Do share it. Remember guys, remember in this case the steric number is what? Steric number is 2. Hybridization is sp. It is very very clear guys. Hybridization is sp. There is no lone pair, in fact plus charge, so empty orbital is there. So as there is no lone pair on this nitrogen, so there is nothing to repel it further, isn't it guys? As sp hybridization there, therefore the expected bond angle is what? 180. Steric number is 2. Okay guys, is that clear? Is that clear? Now in case of NO2 guys, you can see there is an odd electron over here, and this odd electron repel the double bond here. It also repel the single bond over here. Because of that, the NO bond goes somewhat inside or closer to each other, and hence they result the bond angle to be 134. Whereas guys, in this case you can see that the hybridization is sp2. Okay, the steric number is what? 3. There is a lone pair, and it is very very clear that single electron repulsion is going to be lesser in comparison to a lone pair repulsion, because lone pair acquires a bigger space, isn't it? It acquires a bigger space. Therefore, yes guys, this repulsion is again more. Okay, and that results a further lower angle, that is 115. Guys, it is many a times asked. This question is many a times asked, either in the form of reasoning, or you are asked to arrange the following as per decreasing bond angle or as per increasing bond angle. Is that clear? So guys, the decreasing bond angle order is, wait, let me change the color of the pen. Guys, the bond angle decreasing order of bond angle is NO2 plus, which is what? Which is, yes, greater than, because in this 180 bond angle, here 134, which is further more than NO2 minus, which is simply how much? 115. Is that clear guys? Is that clear? Are I samajh mein? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Now the next reasoning question. Come on, guys. PCl5 is known, but not NCl5. Why? Why PCl5 is known, but not NCl5? Because very, very simple, guys. Phosphorus belongs to, yes, phosphorus is 15 atomic number. Its electronic configuration is 285, isn't it? The electronic configuration of phosphorus 285. All those who are watching, do like the video, do share it to all your friends who are studying in class 12, whether preparing for mains or preparing for NEET or preparing for advanced or preparing for KVPY. Please, or preparing for half yearly. All those who are preparing for half yearly, please, this video is going to be very, very helpful to all of you guys. So come on, share it. Come on, share it. And if you are watching it, do like it. Well done. Divya Jasal has answered it due to absence of d orbital in nitrogen. Wonderful answer, guys. Because this belongs to, where, well done, Divya. This like is for you. Phosphorus belongs to third period, guys, and it has vacant d orbital. Vacant d orbital. And nitrogen, guys, nitrogen atomic number is what? 7, 2, 5. Yes, there is, as it present in second period. Sajjan Avinash. Hello, beta. Welcome to the class. How are you? How are you, Sajjan? Nice to see you. There is no vacant or d orbital. All those who are watching it, do like the video, guys. Do like the video and do share it. There is no vacant d orbital because it is present in second period. Is that clear? PD stands for period, not palladium. Remember, here it stands for period. Okay, guys. Now, guys, in case of phosphorus, what happens? Phosphorus has, this is phosphorus, guys. It has 3s2. Sajjan Avinash, which lesson, ma'am, it is? Beta, today's topic is the reasoning question of nitrogen family. Okay, reasoning question of nitrogen family. Come on, all those who are watching it, do like it, do share it. Okay, guys. So it is 3s2, guys. then 3p3, and 3d is empty, isn't it? 3d of phosphorus is empty, vacant d orbital. So what happened after excitation? After excitation, guys, electronic configuration becomes like this. See, one of the electron gets excited over here. Is that clear? And we get 3s1, 3p3, and one electron is present over here, 3d1. Is that clear? Are I samajh mein? Is that clear? All those who are watching, do like the video. This is, let me erase it, write it properly. Yes, guys. A single electron. Now, how many unpaired electrons are total? Five. Okay, guys. Yes, five unpaired electrons. As there are five half-filled orbital, you can say half-filled orbital. So, what is going to happen? These five half-filled orbital are going to form what? Are going to overlap with five half-filled orbitals of chlorine, one each. Okay, so five atoms of chlorine, they are going to overlap. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? And therefore the bonding is possible in PCl5, and such bonding is not at all possible in NCl5. I hope it is all straight away gone here. Is that clear? Because there is no such vacant d orbital in case of nitrogen. Now, guys, the next one. All the bonds in PCl5 are not equivalent. Wonderful question, guys. This is very, very important and wonderful question. All those who are watching it, do like the video and do share it. Here, guys, here what is there? There are 5 sigma bonds. Steric number is 5. Therefore, hybridization is sp3d. Trigonal bipyramidal is the geometry, isn't it? So you can see there are three. There are three equatorial PCl bonds. There are three equatorial PCl bonds. Is that clear? Now, guys, now remember that the equatorial PCl bonds have 202 picometer what? Bond length. Okay, and these equatorial, the bond length is 202 picometer. Is that clear? And this equatorial CL bond angle is 120 degree. So they are at a far distance, guys. Now the one which are present axial bond, guys, the present as axial bond over here. These are the two axial bond, guys. The two axial bond have a CL bond angle is 90 degree. Please try to get this very, very clearly. The bond angle is 90 degree. Is that clear? As the bond angle is 90 degree, what is going to happen here? The bond angle is 90 degree. That is going to result, guys. That is going to result three bond pair repulsion. Okay. This axial PCl bond is going to have three PCl bond repulsion because 90 degree, it is 90 degree with all the three equatorial bond. Similarly, guys, the another axial PCl bond has again three repulsion. which are present at 90 degree with the equatorial PCl bond. So guys, what has happened? Lot of repulsion. So to decrease this repulsion, this bond length is, this axial bond length is greater and the bond length is 214 picometer. This is there to decrease the repulsion. The bond angle is 214 picometer. Is that clear? Therefore, in order to release the repulsion, or you can say in order to make it more stable, this axial PCl bonds are longer than equatorial PCl bonds. Is that clear? Axial PCl bonds are longer than equatorial PCl bonds. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? aa raha hai samajh mein? All those who are watching it, do share it. Do share to all your near and dear ones, guys. Do share to all your near and dear ones. Now, guys, this is once again proved by one of the reaction as well. Let me tell you. When PCl5 is heated, remember, guys, when PCl5 is heated, the axial bonds are less stable and the axial bonds are broken to form Cl2, okay, and PCl3 is formed. Is that clear? This is a very, very famous reaction and you must have dealt with this in what? In, yes, this is gaseous. इन केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, इसके नहीं आते? PCl5 is broken down into Cl2 and PCl3 because the axial PCl bond are weaker than equatorial PCl bond. Is that clear? All those who are watching it, do like the video, guys. Do like and do share. Now, guys, H3PO3 is diprotic, whereas H3PO4 is triprotic. What is this? The meaning of diprotic or the triprotic? Di means two. Two protons. Two protons are given by one molecule of acid. That is the meaning of diproticity. Triprotic means three protons are given by one molecule. Is that clear? And always remember, guys, in aqueous solution we call it as H plus ion. In aqueous solution, we call this as aqueous H plus ion. Or you can say that the hydrogen which are ionizable will be actually lost as proton. So those hydrogen which are attached to more electronegative element are actually ionizable, guys. Very, very important concept. They are ionizable. Ionizable. Is that clear, guys? So these two hydrogen are ionizable and this hydrogen is non-ionizable, guys. Very, very important. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Now, in case of diprotic, because the structure is like this, where there are only two hydrogen attached to oxygen, and therefore, the proticity is 2. What is the proticity here? Proticity is 2, guys. 2 protons are released because there are two hydrogen which are attached to oxygen. Whereas in case of H3PO4, have a look here, guys. There are 3 hydrogens which are attached to oxygen. Okay, so all these encircled one are the ionizable hydrogen. Is that clear? All this encircled one are the 3 ionizable hydrogen. So the proticity of H3PO4 is what? 3, whereas proticity of H3PO4 3 is H3PO3 is 2. I hope it is all clear. So it is always the one hydrogen which is attached to oxygen or more electronegative atom, or you can say the OH bond which is more polar is actually ionizable. Okay, because the electronegativity of oxygen is 3.5 and that of hydrogen is 2.1. So the difference is how much? 1.4. So when the difference is increased from 1.2, it becomes polar. So this OH is polar, therefore it is ionizable. Is that clear, guys? Whereas pH is this pH, this is not at all polar, not at all non-ionizable, guys. Okay, is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Okay. Now the next question is, guys, ammonia is more basic than phosphine. Why? Why ammonia is more basic than phosphine? Phosphine is pH 3, guys. Is that clear? And ammonia is NH3. Remember, guys. If you talk about phosphine, let me take a red pen. If you talk about phosphine, arsine, or stibine, beta Drago's rule is obeyed. What is that? Drago's rule says that the central atom in this case do not hybridize. Because of that, all these lone pairs are present in pure S orbital. Remember, the lone pair are present in pure S orbital, whereas here the lone pair is present in sp3 orbital. And sp3 has only 25% S character, guys. Is that clear? And because S character and electronegativity are directly proportional to each other like this. More the S character, more is the electronegativity. Is that clear? More the S character, more is the electronegativity. Therefore, guys, these electrons are not easily removed. Okay, they are removed. They are removed with very difficulty. Is that clear? Whereas this can be easily removed, or you can say it can be easily donated to H plus coming to its pathway or to water. Therefore, that is also the reason, guys, it is soluble in water. Ammonia is soluble in water, whereas all these are slightly soluble. Very important question of nitrogen family, guys. Remember. Is that clear? Now let us go ahead. NO, nitric oxide, is paramagnetic. It is very clear, guys. In this case, there is an odd electron or unpaired electron. Due to that, it is paramagnetic in nature in gaseous state. Done. Whereas what happens when it gets dimerized, guys? When it gets dimerized, what happens, guys? This 2NO, the odd electron of NO, gets paired up and form NO-dimer or N2O2. Okay, guys, there is no unpaired electron here, and therefore it is what? It is a dimagnetic, and this happens when they are in either liquid state or solid state. And this is, guys, the case of gaseous state. Okay, so due to the odd electron, it is paramagnetic. All those who are watching it, do like the video and do share to all your near and dear ones. Do share to your near and dear ones, guys. Now, all your eyes on the screen. Is this very clear, guys? Let us go ahead then. Stability of +5 oxidation state decreases down the group. Okay, group 15 of the periodic table. Why, guys? Why +5 oxidation state? No doubt, guys. Group 15 has 5 valence electrons. So the maximum oxidation state they can show is +5. But as you move down right from fourth period, fifth period towards sixth period, the tendency to show +5 decreases and +3 increases. Why, guys? It is due to inert pair effect. What is, guys? It is due to inert pair effect. All those who are watching it, do like the video and do share to all your all your friends. Have a look at this. What is inert pair effect? Let us see, guys, what is inert pair effect. Okay. Remember, guys, this inert pair effect is basically shown in 15, 16, 17. Okay, guys, basically 15, 16, and 17 group. Basically, more pronounced is 15, 16, and 17. Okay, guys, and 13, 14 as well. But 13, 14 we have already discussed, so now we are not discussing. So remember 13, 14, 15, and 16, it is more pronounced. After that, it becomes least, isn't it? Have a look at the screen now. Guys, in this case, what is happening? In this case, you can see as you move down from fourth period onwards, arsenic, strontium, and bismuth, the plus 5 tendency decreases because due to lanthanide contraction, guys. These d orbitals 4f, okay, 4fd are also, because they have very poor screening, guys. And especially, when you fill bismuth, okay, what is happening, guys? 4f is filled until here 4d is filled, 3d and 4d, here 3d, 4d and 5d are filled, and here 4f also there, guys. Is that clear? Is that clear? So they causes lanthanide contraction, and because of that, guys, this ns2 electron is tightly attracted towards the nucleus, or you can say more penetrated towards the nucleus because of higher z effective due to lanthanide contraction, and the size decreases a lot. Okay, because of that, this ns2 electron do not react or do not come out, and therefore guys, the plus 3 oxidation state becomes stable as you move down the group due to inertness of ns2 electron. Is that clear? Due to inertness of ns2 electron, and this is actually called as inert pair effect. Remember, guys, this starts from fourth period and downwards. As we move down, this becomes more and more prominent. Clear? आगे बढ़ें. Now, guys, in HNO3, very important question, guys. In nitric acid molecule, NO bond is shorter than NaOH bond. Why? Why, guys? Let me tell you. These are the two resonating structure of HNO3. You can see, guys, the NO bond actually are in resonance with each other. This NO bonds are in resonance with each other, whereas this OH bond remains as it is. Due to the resonance, what happens? The resonance hybrid is written somewhat like this. Yes, partial double bond character. Okay. And remember, guys, remember, this is simply a single bond, whereas these two are partial double bond. Both both are partial double bond character. Because of the partial double bond character, guys, as the bond order is more, so what will happen to the bond length? What will happen to the bond length? It will be inversely proportional. Is it? It will be inversely proportional to the bond order, and therefore, guys, this NO bond is shorter. Bond length of NO bond is shorter than bond length of NOH. Is that clear? Clear or not? Do let me know. Is that clear? All those who are watching it, do share. Guys, do share. Do like the video. Do share it. And if you have not subscribed the channel, let's crack NEET UG in English. Do so, guys. Do so. Parimila Velengiri. Parimila. Parimala Velengiri. Welcome to the class, dear. How are you, Parimala? How about your studies, dear? And all those who are watching it, do like the video. Parimala ji, कैसी हैं आप? Is that clear, guys? Let us go ahead. One more thing, one more interesting feature, guys. In case of NO3 minus, okay, nitric acid, when it loses the proton, it forms NO3. Okay, okay, all studies good, beta. Do like the video, all those who are watching it, guys. In case of nitrate ion, guys, remember that that all the NO bond due to resonance, guys, due to resonance, all NO bond are equivalent. Is that clear? All NO bond are equivalent. All those who are watching, do like the video. Okay, guys, do share and do subscribe the channel if you have not done so. Do press the bell icon if you have not done so. If you are really finding this video helpful, guys, do like the video. So it is all clear. It is all clear that in HNO3, guys, remember in HNO3 the question can also be like that all NO bond are not equivalent. Okay, this way also it can be asked that all NO bonds are not equivalent. Is that clear? So it is very, very clear that this NOH, because there is no changes over here, guys. Let me change, make it to red. There is no change over here, isn't it? So these two are single bond properties. Only these two keep resonating like this. This is the resonance hybrid. Is that clear, guys? Is it clear? Done. And in case of nitrate, guys, due to resonance, all NO bonds are equivalent. Is that clear? Are I samajh mein? All done. Let us go ahead. Nitric oxide becomes brown when released in air. Why does this happen, guys? When nitric oxide, that is what? NO. Yes, guys. This is basically what? Yes, guys. Why does it gets brown? Nitric oxide is colorless. Why does this turns brown when it is released in air? Can you have any idea? Do message me in the chat box, guys. Why does nitric oxide released in air turns brown? What actually goes it? What actually happens to it that it turns brown? Do let me know. Do let me know. I'm waiting for your answer in the chat box. Why does NO becomes brown when released in air? Waiting for your answer in the chat box, and all those who are watching, do like the video. I'm going to tell you the reason soon, but at least you come up with a reason. You at least try to answer, isn't it? All those who are watching, do like the video, do share it faster. Come on, let me give you the reason. Please try. If you want, you can still try, you have time. Guys, this nitric oxide, let me change the color of the pen. This nitric oxide, okay, okay, is colorless. No doubt it is paramagnetic. NO2 is also paramagnetic, but this NO is colorless, guys. Remember, it is colorless, and actually due to unpaired electron, it is very reactive. Is that clear? It is very, very reactive. All done. It is very, very reactive. What happens as a result of that? It combines with air and form NO2. This is also paramagnetic, guys. And this NO2 is basically, NO2 gas is basically reddish brown in color, reddish brown in color. And when less amount of nitrogen dioxide is there, basically this looks like brown. And therefore like if nitric oxide is more and so it is gets, you can say, mixed up with NO2, it gives a brown color. And therefore it is said that nitric oxides becomes brown when what? When released in air, because it reacts with O2 and forms NO2, guys. Therefore, it becomes brown when released in air. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Come on, if it is clear, do like the video, do share it. All those who are watching it, do share and do like the video. आगे बढ़ा जाए? Okay, guys. Ammonia is a good complexing agent. Remember, guys, the same question can be asked that why does ammonia acts as a ligand? Ammonia acts as a ligand. Ligands are basically what, guys? They are basically electron pair donor. और donate तो तभी करेगा ना when they will have some electron pair. Okay, or they are also called as Lewis base. Isn't it? We know all this. Now, why does ammonia, a good complexing agent, guys? Remember. Can you see the structure of ammonia here on the screen? There is a lone pair, guys. There is a lone pair present on nitrogen. Nitrogen, is that clear, guys? Due to this lone pair of electron on nitrogen, this acts as a complexing agent. As a result of this, guys, as a result of this, you talk about any AgCl plus ammonia, what happens? This forms the complex Ag. The coordination number of Ag is what? 2. Okay. This forms a complex like this. Diamine, silver. How do we write this? Diamine, silver, 1 chloride. Is that clear, guys? So this is how the complex is all ready. Is that clear, guys? This is how the complex is all ready. It can donate its lone pair of electron and forms a dative bond. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? It also forms complex with aqueous solutions of copper sulfate, and that turns it blue. How does it turn, guys? It turns blue. And what is the formula of complex, guys? CuNH3 4. The coordination number of copper is 4, guys. Here SO4. And due to this, what is this? What is it? Tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. It is what? The complex is blue in color. I hope everything gone here, isn't it? If it is there, do like the video. Do share it. Share, guys. And if you have not subscribed the channel so far, do so. Okay, guys, now all your eyes on the screen, guys, all your eyes on the screen. Very important question, guys. Nitrous acid, HNO2, acts as oxidant as well as reductant. Let me tell you the meaning of oxidant. Oxidant is, guys, oxidizing agent. And what an oxidizing agent does? It oxidizes others and reduces itself. Is that clear? And what a reductant does? Reductant means reducing agent. It reduces others and oxidizes itself. Now it is very clear from the agent, the term agent, what an LIC agent does. It makes LIC policy for others. So agent is one who serves others. What a travel agent does? A travel agent forms the tickets for others. कि खुद की tickets बनाता है. Tell me, he keeps making tickets for himself? He keeps booking tickets for himself? No, he makes tickets for others. So agent is one who serves others. Similarly, oxidizing agent is one which oxidizes others and reduces itself. Reductant means reducing agent is one which reduces others and oxidizes itself. Okay. So the question here is what? Nitrous acid can act as oxidizing as well as reducing agent. Guys, always remember an oxidizing agent oxidizes others and reduces itself means this can happen by gaining electron, because by gaining electron it will get reduce itself. It will reduce itself, and a reducing agent reduces others and oxidizes itself means it will lose electron. Is that clear? So this can possible only when, yes, when the nitrogen is present in what type of oxidation state, guys? It should present in between the oxidation state. For example, I'm just giving you an example. Don't worry. All those who are watching, do like the video. Please like the video, guys. Come on, have a look at the screen. Can you tell me the oxidation state over here, guys? The oxidation state of nitrogen is -2 here, and guys, yes, -2. Actually, here it is +3 because -1 for this, and this way it can be done. Or you can calculate the all together, guys. How come the all together oxidation state will be calculated? Let me tell you. So +3 oxidation state it has. But the minimum oxidation state nitrogen can show is how much? It can show the minimum oxidation state -3, and group oxidation state maximum goes till +5. And remember, guys, as plus 3 lies in between -3 and +5. Very, very important line. +3 lies in between -3 and +5. Therefore, what happens, guys? It can get oxidized to, it can +3 can get further oxidized to, right from +3 it can get further oxidized to +5 by losing electron, or it can get reduced to any, guys. Okay, it can get reduced to any, it can get reduced to 0, it can get reduced to -3, it can get reduced to what? +1 also. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Because it is in between, it lies in between -3 and +5. Therefore it can act as oxidant as well as reductant. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Now let us see the example where it is acting as what? It is acting as oxidizing agent. Can you give any example in the chat box? Come on, do so. Oxidizing as well as reducing agent. For that, guys, come on, take a screenshot, because I'm going to erase it. I'm going to clean it. Let us see that it acts as an oxidizing agent. Come on, guys, H2S. And remember, nitrous acid, oxy acids of nitrogen. I've already made a separate video on it, and where all the oxidation states are studied in detail. So do watch that. The link for the same is there in the description box. But I'm just giving an example over here. Guys, this H2S, moist H2S will get precipitated into yellow sulfur, okay, by HNO2, guys, okay, by nitrous oxide. So you can see here the oxidation state of sulfur is -2, and here it is 0, and itself HNO2 will turn into NO, and along with that water has to be formed. So here it is acting as an oxidizing agent. Is that clear, guys? Now this act as a reducing agent, where, guys, it reduces I2 to, yes, I2 is what, guys? I2 is iodine. Iodine get reduced to Hi. Here it is 0, here it is -1. So it is acting as a reducing agent. So it is very, very clear from here that it can act as oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. बेटा याद रखना ऐसे क्वेश्चन हम इस तरह पढ़ पढ़ के करते हैं ना, मजा नहीं आता और नींद आ जाती है अलग. Okay, these type of questions, if you try to just simply read it, you are going to sleep. Trust me, you are going to sleep. Therefore these type of video are going to help you a lot. Okay, so all those who are watching it, do like the video and do share to all your friends who are in class 12. Now, guys, the next question, pentavalent bismuth is a strong oxidizing agent. Why? Why pentavalent bismuth is a strong oxidizing agent? Guys, we had just now discussed that bismuth strongly shows what? Inert pair effect. Why? because bismuth is present in sixth period. And right from fourth period to downwards, inert pair effect becomes more and more stronger. All those who are watching it, do like the video and do share it. I'm repeating, if you are watching, मजा आ रहा है, सीखने को मिल रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, तो प्लीज शेयर करो. अगर इजी लग रही है केमिस्ट्री जो कि बोरिंग होती है, बेटा ये वाले टॉपिक्स बहुत बोरिंग होते हैं, मैं खुद मान रही हूँ. दे आर गोइंग टू मेक यू स्लीप व्हेन यू स्टडी देम. Therefore, I made a video on your demand. So do like the video and do share it. Do like the video. If all those who are watching it, do like it and do share it. So guys, bismuth is present in sixth period, and therefore the inert pair effect is very, very prominent. I'm repeating, in bismuth, the inert pair effect is very prominent. Okay, so it is very easy that Bi plus 5 oxidation state is, yes, Bi plus 5 is less stable than Bi plus 3. Is that clear? So this Bi plus 5 pentavalent bismuth will try its best to gain 2 electron. Okay, to gain 2 electron and turns into Bi 3 plus. Is that clear? All those who are watching, do like the video. So Bi plus 5 is gaining 2 electron and turning into Bi 3 plus. Is that clear? It has a strong tendency to take up 2 electron, and as it has a strong tendency to, or you can say, reduce itself from plus 5 to plus 3. So guys, it will oxidize others because it is reducing itself. So it will oxidize other and it will act as oxidizing agent. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? I hope it is straight away gone over here. Done? Now, guys, the next question. Next question. Why does NO2, nitrogen dioxide, like NO, this also dimerizes? We know that nitrogen dioxide is a reddish brown gas due to unpaired electron. Is that clear, guys? All those who are watching, do like the video, do share it, guys, do share it. Now just have a look, guys, just have a look at the screen. NO2 dimerize क्यों होता है? ओके गाइस, सबसे पहले तो आप ये क्लियरली देखो, NO2 dimerizes into N2O4, and guys, this NO2 is paramagnetic due to unpaired electron and colorless. I mean, it is reddish brown in color due to unpaired electron, whereas N2O4 is what? It is diamagnetic because there is no unpaired electron. As there is no unpaired electron, therefore it is colorless. So remember one thing, guys, one thing very, very important, that NO2 gets dimerized into N2O4 on cooling. See, when the temperature is more than 21 degree, N2O4 is going to convert back or monomerize into NO2. And when the temperature is less than 21, that is on cooling, NO2 is going to dimerize into N2O4. In qualitative analysis also, guys, in qualitative analysis, we have performed this test that when NO2 gas liberates, it appears as brown fumes, which gradually turns colorless. Why does it happens? Because when it is hot, whenever it is coming out, no doubt strong acid, so temperature is more. So whenever it is coming out, it is hot, and if it is hot, it is reddish brown in color. Okay, or brown fumes, it depends on the concentration of NO2 coming out over there. It may look like reddish brown or simply brown, and on cooling it turns diamagnetic because it gets dimerized. Is that clear, guys? It becomes colorless as it gets what? As it gets dimerized. Is that clear, guys? So why it is happening? Because, guys, you can see that in this case there is an odd electron, In this case, there is an odd electron, guys. Okay, in the valence shell. Now what happens to become, they are very actually unstable because of the odd electron. They are unstable. Is that clear? So in order to pay, they get just paired up in order to acquire what? Inertness, or you can say in order to become stable, or in order to pair that odd electron. Is that clear? It undergo dimerization, or in simple term, in order to become stable, this undergo dimerization. All those who are watching, do like the video. Okay, guys, now have a look at the screen. Guys, this is very, very, very important. It has been asked in NEET also. It has been asked in JEE mains as well. Okay, from board point of view also, it is very, very important, guys. H3PO2 and H3PO3 acts as a reducing agent. Why? Why it acts as a reducing agent? It all the structure, guys, or you can say it is a pH bond. It is the pH bond that makes it reducing. Okay, guys, this is hypophosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid, there is only one pH bond, guys. And in this case, there is no pH bond. Therefore, phosphoric acid is not at all what? It is not at all reducing. Only these two are reducing, guys. Only these two are reducing, and this hypophosphorus acid is more reducing in nature. All those who are watching it, do like the video, do share it. I'm repeating, if you are watching, do like the video and do share it, guys. मजा आ रहा है, सीखने को मिल रहा है, important लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है, do like the video and do share it. Okay, guys, all your eyes on the screen now. So H3PO2 and H3PO3, it is due to pH bond, guys. They are able to what? Reduce. I hope it is clearly going over here. Is that clear, guys? So due to, let me change the color to yellow. Yellow, yellow. Come on, dirty fellow. So due to what, guys? Due to pH bond. These two act as reducing agent. And it is able to reduce. How does this causes reduction? Let us see. AgNO3 on reaction with H3PO2. What will happen? Of course, water has to be there. What will happen, guys? Elemental sulfur, which is actually brown in, black in color, due to which it turns black. Silver, yes, that gives a black appearance, guys. And because it is acting as a reducing agent, so itself it will get oxidized to H3PO4. Okay, and nitrate is there, so you will get nitric acid. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? So it is reducing what? It is reducing Ag plus to elemental silver. Therefore, it is acting as a reducing agent. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Done. And the reduction is why? It is because of this pH bond. Why the reduction, guys? It is due to this pH bond. And phosphoric acid cannot do so because phosphoric acid, I'm repeating, phosphoric acid do not have this pH bond. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you really like the video. If you really like the video, do like the video. नीचे like का button भी दबाना है. Okay, guys, and if you have not subscribed the channel so far, let's crack NEET UG in English. Do so. If you have not pressed the bell icon, do so. And in order to take the subscription, do apply this referral code of mine, S810, guys, S810, and do share the video if you have really liked the video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. All the very best, guys.